In this video, we show you how to grow celery from seed to harvest in containers. Let's dive in and sow some seed. Fill seedling trays with damp coir. Choose your favorite celery variety. We couldn't resist this variety with its pop of pink brush strokes on the mature stems. The link to the seed producer is in the description. Celery seed is very small, and so it is quite difficult to sow individual seeds. Instead, take a pinch of seeds in your fingertips and sprinkle the seeds over the coir, just like you would if you were seasoning your food. Make sure your coir is tightly packed. You don't want any of the tiny seeds falling into gaps. Add a very light layer of vermiculite over the seeds. The small celery seeds need light to germinate, so make sure you don't cover them too thickly. We started our seeds in the wintertime and so needed to protect the young seedlings from frost, and so these trays were kept in a greenhouse with overhead misters. It took about 3 weeks before we noticed any signs of germination. Celery seeds naturally have a longer period between sowing and germination, which isn't helped by cooler winter temperatures. So be patient with your seed. It might take a while before you see any signs of growth. As the coir doesn't contain many plant-available nutrients, you should fertilize your seedlings. The easiest way to do so is to add a nozzle like this to a bottle filled with diluted liquid fertilizer. Do this once a week until you transplant your seedlings. It took about 6 weeks after sowing to be able to transplant our seedlings to their containers. We filled our pots with a mixture of well-composted manure and slow-release fertilizer. We moved the celery in their pots to the vegetable garden once all the threat of frost had passed. If you are finding this video helpful, then check out the description for your copy of our celery production guide. With every video we release, we share free infographics and ebooks so you can keep all this information on hand and build up your own library of vegetable production guides. Every like, comment and subscription is an awesome way to boost viewership, so we really do appreciate everyone who helps Epic Veg in that way. This is what our seedlings looked like a few weeks later. The combination of our soil mixture and warm summer temperatures kicked the celery into higher gear and growth was rapid from here on. In the vegetable garden, we used overhead sprinklers to irrigate all the pots. We manually controlled the frequency depending on the temperature and rainfall. It is imperative you always keep your celery well watered. Celery does not tolerate the heat, and so make sure you keep it in a protected spot away from the harsh afternoon sun. After a few more weeks, the celery is almost ready for harvest. At this point, you need to monitor for aphids, slugs and snails, as they love celery and can easily hide in the bushy growth. Did you know celery can repel the white cabbage butterfly? This means it is the perfect companion plant for your brassicas. Finally, about 4 months after sowing, we could start harvesting the celery. Choose the largest stems and start harvesting from the outer edge of the plants. You can do this all throughout the season and constantly have a fresh supply of celery. And that's how we grow our celery. It really is super easy and very rewarding. A newly harvested bunch of celery also looks beautiful, which adds to the joy of growing this vegetable. Before you go, remember your copy of our celery production guide linked in the description. We would also appreciate every like, comment and subscription to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.